How to different PROFIBUS connector, this type and this type. This type connector is a here already have a connector step. PROFIBUS cable insulation maybe 5 milli open insulation upside cable A1 A2 A2 B A1 B1 A2 B1 B2. This is a fixes this connector. This is a Zuri insulation removing. This connector is not removing the insulation, only without insulation. Pull again. This is a connector is a press. You see, this is now open connector inside, close now connector. Now I remove this screw. This is with insulation dakhil. Now as you see is in close. This connector is open, you up, these two up. You see now hole is open. You press. If you press this is closed. Cable is jamming now. See, this is connector without remove the insulation. With the insulation pull in the cable. This is the difference only. This is only remove the insulation and connector upside have screw tightness and fix it. This is the difference.